Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. The first, I want to thanks to the chance that has been given to me to present my paper entitled Comparison of the Use of Fly Ash and Rice Husk Ash in the Making of the Geopolymer Concrete. Let me introduce our team. I'm Indrayani, and my team are Andi Herius, Ahmad Mirja, Rifki Rafsian Al-Hafez, and all the team from Civil Engineering Department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. This paper consists of four tables of content. The first, introduction, explain about background, goals, and previous research, and the second, methodology, explain about times and place, tools and material, aggregate testing, and testing material. And the third, result and discussion, explain about mixed design, analysis, and comparison analysis. And the last, fourth, conclusion. Okay, I will start from the first introduction. Concrete is the most widely used material in construction. There are some positive effects from the concrete. The first, high compression strength, and the second, fire resistant, and the third, corrosion resistant, and the fourth, relatively cheaper than other materials. And there is one negative effect from the concrete is the specific gravity of the concrete is quite high. Concrete commonly used infrastructure development. For example, for road, for building, for bridge, and the other. Innovation on the use of environmentally friendly concrete continue to be made by using material from coal combustion residues. Several researchers have conducted research on geopolymer concrete. Among us, Indrayani et al. In 2019, Komarudin et al. In 2018, and Rihatul in 2017. From this basic, a study was conducted on the comparison of the use of rice husk axe with fly ash as a substitute for cement in geopolymer manufacturing by adding alkali sodium silicate Na2SeO3 and sodium hydroxide NaOH. Purpose of this study is to compare geopolymer concrete using fly ash and using rice husk ash. Second, methodology. Methodology consists of four methods. The first, tools and materials, and the second, time and place. Whereas this research was conducted 6 months in the material testing laboratory of Civil Engineering Department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, and the third, testing of normal concrete and geopolymer concrete, and the last, aggregate testing. The third, result and discussion. And this is result of fine aggregate analysis and close aggregate analysis. And this is result of specific gravity test from fly ash, cement, and rice husk ash. And below is result of mixed design calculation. From this table, you can look the composition of the mixture of normal concrete and geopolymer concrete used in this study. And from this table, you can look normal concrete compressive strength test result at x28 days. And from this table, you can look test result for compressive strength of normal concrete, geopolymer concrete with rice husk ash and fly ash at 28 days. Okay, from this graph, you can look that geopolymer concrete with fly ash in ratio 1 and 5 have the higher compressive strength than plain normal compressive strength. And then geopolymer concrete with rice husk have the small compressive strength from plain normal compressive strength. So from this research, it can be recommended that rice husk cannot be used as geopolymer, uh, even though only has material for non-structural building, because rice husk as contain silica, wheat is also content in sodium silicate and A2SeO3, cannot be the aggregate in the Geopolymer concrete mixture. And the last conclusion. Concrete compression strength of geopolymer using fly ash at the ratio of 1 and 3 and 1 and 5 is above normal concrete compressive strength. An increase of 2.18% at a ratio of 1 and 3, and an increase of 41.20% at a ratio of 1 and 5, while the ratio of 1 and 1 has decreased from normal concrete. Compressive strength of geopolymer concrete using rice husk as in the overall ratio is below the normal compressive strength of concrete, so that a rice husk as cannot be used as geopolymer concrete. Fly ash can be used as geopolymer concrete in the ratio 1 and 3 and 1 and 5. Thank for your great attention. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.